Hello friends, today we will discuss the speed problem. What problem on the base of speed? You know the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. All three same formulas, only the conversions. So we take the examples by explaining the speed problems of this chapter. We take the first problem. It's a three types of basic problems. It's all problems भी हैं, but mainly three types of problems. First, Abdul traveled 300 km by train and 200 km by taxi. It takes him 5 hours 30 minutes. But if he travel 260 km by train and 240 km by taxi, it takes 6 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and taxi. So, first, if you see, let the speed of train x km per hour and taxi y km per hour. For suppose that with unit kilometer and hours, so we take the unit kilometer and hours. What's safe case first? Train and taxi time 300 km by train, 200 km by taxi, 5 hours 30 minutes. So it means you can say both time make the 5 or 30 minutes. So you make the equation first. Time taken by train. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance of train x. Distance of train 300. Speed of train x hours. Time taken by taxi, same distance upon speed. Distance by train taxi 200 kilometers. Speed by taxi y kilometer per hour. Total time 5 hours 30 minutes. That means 5 whole 30 upon 60 hours. Cancel out. 2 5 or 10 plus 1 11 upon 2 hours. It's a first equation, means the time taken by train and the time taken by taxi both make 11 upon 2. Equation first. Okay, same for second. You can have something here. Case second. What case second? Train distance 260 km. Taxi distance 240 km. And time 6 minutes longer, means 5 hours 36 minutes. Same time taken by train, distance 260 upon x hours. Time taken by taxi 240 by y hours. And total time 5 hours 36 minutes, means 5 whole 36 upon 60. 6 6 जा 6 10 जा 2 3 जा 2 5 जा 5 25 plus 3 28 by 5 r. Okay, then what's the equation? 260 upon x plus 240 upon y is equal to 28 upon 5. Equation number second. So you get the first and second two equations. How we solve them? The fractional problems by taking the, supposing let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So what you get the equations? रफ करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा. First equation 300a plus 200b is equal to 11 upon 2. To multiply here 600a plus 400b is equal to 11. First equation. For second 260a 240b is equal to 28 by 5. 5 multiply here 1300a plus 1200b is equal to 28. I think 4 से डिविजिबल है पूरा. 4 3 12 4 2 8 4 5 20 a 4 3 12 b 4 7 28. You can solve these two equations. So after solving these two equations, you get the value of a is equal to 1 upon 100 and b is equal to 1 upon 80. Solving 1 and 2. So x is equal to 1 upon a, x is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 100. So x is equal to 100 km per hour. Same, you can write like this: a is equal to 1 upon 100 and a is equal to 1 upon x. So x is equal to 100 km per hour. Same, b is equal to 1 upon y. So y is equal to 80 km per hour. I am not explaining how we solve the equation because in previous videos I have already explained how we solve the equation. So after solving you get the value of a and b. Then a and b is reciprocal, that is xy. So you get x equal to 100 and y equal to 80. Okay, pause video and note down.